sent just 100 messages from WhatsApp and WhatsApp got suspended, or someone sent 200 messages from WhatsApp and WhatsApp got suspended. Now, bro, I need to send at least 10,000, 20,000, or even 50,000 WhatsApp messages in a single day. So, bro, how should I send them? Look, there are two ways to do this. First, I have my own API. Yeah, you can contact me. Come to an edit, and I'll show you how to send messages right in front of your eyes. Whether you want to send 10,000 messages a day, 50,000 messages a day, or even just 100 messages a day, just contact me. All your messages will be sent. Now look, what's the second way? Check out the Meta approved API. There are only two methods that work in the market. Either someone creates their own API and sends messages through it, or they use Meta approved APIs to send messages, and both have their own pros and cons. So now, first of all, let's go over the white hat method, and then we'll move on to the gray hat method. Or if you want, we can complete the gray hat method first and then cover the white hat method. So let me start by talking about my own API. If you ask me what kinds of messages we can send using our API, if you are doing the CPM marketing, like many of my students who are involved in CPM marketing, they send thousands, even 5,000 messages a day, and make $500 to $600 daily. All right? You can send these messages using my API, or if you are doing affiliate marketing, if you want to send affiliate links for products to your customers in the USA, you can do that. Or if you want to send gaming related offers, you can send those as well. If you want to send adult offers, you can send those too. Whatever you want to send through CPM, you can send it. If you want to send messages to real estate clients, you can do that as well. If you want to send 500 in a day, send 500. If you want to send 1,000 in a day, well, send 1,000. If you want to send 10,000 in a day, send 10,000. Now look, the thing about this product is that you can easily send all these things via API, because here you are able to send them for this reason. There is no review involved in this. There is no review by Meta in this either. Anyone who has used a lot of software, like those who have used Bati or InteractWord, faces one major issue. What is that issue? Whenever you create any part template, where does the template go first? Where does the template go first? It goes for review. And as soon as your template goes for review, that if it's related to CPM marketing, affiliate marketing, gaming, adult content, or even if it's slightly in the gray area, it gets denied. Template means you can't send that message. What's the second problem? When you start sending data messages through them, whatever messages you begin to send, what is the biggest issue with those messages? If you include a link, if you put a link in, then a lot of your messages get denied. So what we do through our API or WhatsApp Center is work to bypass this issue. When we bypass it, we are able to send all of these messages. Okay? But a lot of people who are new to WhatsApp bulk centers, they ask me this question. They ask, sir, actually our biggest problem is that we want to send messages where the image displays properly, or where we can include a link. All right, so all of these things are possible here. You can send them from here. Okay, now you should also hear about White Hat API and their advantages from me, because that's important too. Look, I have those as well. All right, I use those too. So what you're seeing here right now, this is the dashboard for that. And this is what we call a template. If we promote affiliate links or CPA links here, then it shows denied in red letters. All right, right now it's not there because there are no links in it. No one is bypassing anything here. We also do not promote any greater black hat methods from here. All right, so that's why these things are not showing up here. Otherwise, Antalan, if your business is verified on Meta, you can even send 100,000 messages a day through these softwares without getting suspended. You can also do it with this. They charge $2,199 per month. And apart from that, though the amount for the campaigns you send is a bit separate. All right. Otherwise, you can send from here as well. It's a very good software. You can do your broadcasting from here and run your operations. Apart from this, there are more options. You can send through AI Sensi, through Galabox, or through Interact. But out of all the interfaces I've used so far, the one I personally found the best, if you look at White Hat, no doubt it was Bati's. So you should try Bati. It is one of the best. All right. If you're doing CPM marketing, affiliate marketing, or product marketing, whatever it is, then you can contact me and I will help you with WhatsApp bulk messages that we need to send. I can help you with that. And that's it for this video. So anyone who wants to do bulk messaging on WhatsApp, anyone who wants to do proper messaging can contact me. I am going to help you for sure. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Just one thing I would like, if you found this information useful, please like and share this video. Thank you.